In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the line ringtone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Line app to preview sounds and set the one you like so your incoming Line calls sound just the way you want. Start by launching your Line app. Give it a moment to load your chats and home screen. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in using your usual method so you can access your settings. If you already stay signed in on your device, you'll go straight to the app's main screen. Next, open Settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner of the app. The gear is the control center for everything related to your account and app preferences. On some devices or layouts, the gear might appear on the Home tab, but it will look the same. If you don't see it immediately, glance toward the top of the screen for a small gear symbol. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Calls and tap it. This area is dedicated to how Line handles voice and video calls. It's where you adjust things like ringtone, vibration, and other call-related behaviors, separate from your phone's system settings. Inside the Calls menu, choose Ringtone. This takes you to the list of available Line sounds you can use for incoming Line calls. Remember, you're changing the ringtone used by the Line app only. Your phone's overall ringtone for regular cellular calls won't be affected here. You'll now see the default Line sound options. Tap any sound to preview it instantly. If you can't hear the preview, make sure your phone isn't on silent and that your ringtone or media volume is turned up. Some devices use the ringtone volume for previews. Others use media volume. If a preview is very quiet, gently raise the appropriate volume slider while the sound is playing so you can compare tones more easily. When you find a sound you like, select it to set it as your new ringtone. You'll usually see a check mark or a highlight next to the chosen tone, confirming it's locked in. From now on, that sound will play whenever you receive a Line call so you can recognize it right away. That's all there is to it. Launch Line, log in if needed, open the settings gear, go to Calls, tap Ringtone, preview the options, and pick your favorite. If your preferences change later, just repeat these steps and choose a different tone. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Line ringtone.